Hey, what is going on, guys? Stellantis World back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the 2024 Renault Rafale. We get an updated exterior design, electrified hybridized powertrains, and a few other things, so let's get right into it. We already see from Renault that they have the Austral and the E-Space from the compacted mid-size SUV segments in European markets, but there's also gonna be the Rafale, which is a little bit more of a sporty coupe-like SUV with hybridized powertrains and likely some updates to the interior as well. Again, in the Austral and the E-Space, we have seen some updated infotainment screens and digital infotainment clusters, 12.3 inch and 9.3 inch respectively, with a 12 speaker Harman Kardon sound system and Alcantara patches on the Esprit. So it's interesting stuff for sure. CMF CD architecture underpinning the model from Renault Group. Like I said, I think hybridized engines might be the future direction that is most viable. But again, we have a 197 horsepower, 150 pound-feet of torque, which is 205 newton meters, and a turbocharged 1.2 liter electric motor, high voltage starter generator with a 2 kilowatt lithium ion battery, as well as an automatic gearbox. So again, interesting setup there. Nothing crazy in terms of the power, but again, should be more efficient due to the fact that it's a smaller engine and that it's hybridized as well. And in terms of the design, I'm really liking it. I think adding a little bit more of these sporty type exterior bodies and really expanding the portfolio and the diversity of the offerings from Renault and Stellantis more widely, it gives you the opportunity to compete with something similar to the BMW X4, GLC Coupe, Q5 Sportbacks, but obviously a little bit more of a reasonable price point and a better bang for your buck.